Hello and welcome to Hallabol. You are watching our English news bulletin at this moment and this is Rashmi here with you. Before moving to the details, let us have a look at the headlines. Rahul Gandhi targeted Prime Minister Narendra Modi on day of his Ladakh visit, said someone is lying. Rahul Gandhi provided 175 smart television sets to tribal students in Wayan district of Kerala to help them join online classes amid the COVID-19 lockdown. TBS released Madhyamik results 2020 with a pass rate of 64.49%. 24 students found top 10 positions this year. All India UTUC Tripura unit staged protest demonstration along with 12 charter point demands. Now the news in details. Rahul Gandhi targets Prime Minister Narendra Modi once again on the day of his visit to Ladakh. Tweeting over social media, Rahul Gandhi wrote, "Someone is lying over the issue of illegal land occupation by the Chinese aggressors." Senior Congress leader Rahul Gandhi once again attacked Prime Minister Narendra Modi over the India-China border situation. His latest jibe comes on the day of Prime Minister Modi's visit to Ladakh by tweeting a video where Ladakhis were confirming illegal land occupation by the Chinese army in the region. Gandhi tweeted the video and wrote, "Ladakhis say China took our land. Prime Minister Modi says nobody took our land. Obviously, someone is lying," he added.
जी हमारे गढ़वाल एरिया में 15 किलोमीटर घुस गया है।
This is the deadliest clash in nearly 50 years.
अब सब लोगों को पता है हमारी जमीनें हमसे जबरदस्ती छीना जा रहा है।
लद्दाख के अंदर जो चंगथम का जो इलाका है, यहाँ जो इस इलाके के अंदर लगातार जो चाइना अपना एक्विजिशन कर रहा है।
चाइनीज जो है बार बार हमारे इंडियन बॉर्डर में घुस रहे हैं लद्दाख से।
हमारा बहुत जमीन चाइना खरब के ले जा रहा है।
बिल्कुल वो हमारी लैंड ले रहे हैं। हमारे कितने सारे जगहों को कब्जा करके रखा। पेंगोंग झील में फिंगर 8 से लेकर फिंगर 4 तक पहुंचा हुआ।
हमारे गलवान वैली में वो कम से कम 4 किलोमीटर अंदर आए हुए हैं।
चाइना इंच पॉलिसी के तहत बहुत सारे जमीन खा रहा है।
फिंगर 8 से फिंगर 4 तक 8 किलोमीटर का रोड, मेटल रोड उन्होंने ओवरनाइट तो बनाया नहीं होगा।
लद्दाख से हमें पता है लद्दाख में कब्जा हो चुका है।
चाइना वाले बिल्कुल अंदर तक आ चुके हैं।
चाइनीज हमारे टेरिटरी के अंदर आए।
चाइना को बहुत कम से कम 3-4 किलोमीटर से ऊपर ले गए लद्दाख के।
हमारी लद्दाख की जमीन है हमसे जबरदस्ती छीनी जा रही है।
जो हमारी लद्दाख की जमीन है वो हमसे छीनी जा रही है, या यह भी कह सकते हैं जबरदस्ती छीनी जा रही है।
चाइना ने हमारी जो टेरिटरी में इंक्लूजन किया है,
हमारे जमीन जो है ना चली गया है, उसका मतलब चीन का कब्जे में कुछ जमीन हमारी गया है।
हिंदुस्तानियों से हमारा जमीन छीना जा रहा है।
Chinese armies are gradually occupying our land in Ladakh.
वहाँ पे भी
The video depicts Ladakhis from the region describing Chinese aggression in the forward regions over the past few days. Some of them also confirmed that China is illegally occupying land in the region. However, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the central government categorically denied any transgression by the China into Indian territory. Rahul Gandhi has been questioning the government on the social media on Chinese aggression since the day 20 soldiers were killed at Ladakh's Galwan Valley region. Gandhi's tweet today comes in the wake of Prime Minister Modi's visit to Ladakh, where he interacted with the Indian Army and Air Force personnel. Bureau report, Hallabol. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi distributed second batch of 175 TV sets for the tribal students in Kerala's Wayan district for helping them join online classes in the lockdown period of COVID-19. In the second batch, Rahul Gandhi provides 175 smart television sets to tribal students in Wayanad. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has provided 175 smart television sets among the tribal students in Kerala's Wayanad to help them join online classes amid the coronavirus lockdown. This was the second batch of smart television sets after the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi previously handed 50 television sets to Wayan district administration on his 50th birthday on 19th of June. The Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan-led government in Kerala has been running virtual classes through an initiative called the First Bell. After the heart-rending incident of suicide of class 9 girl in Kerala's Mallapuram last month for not being able to attend online classes due to lack of smart television set or phone at home, Rahul Gandhi promised to help the underprivileged students by supplying electronic devices. He also requested the Kerala administration to extend necessary support for the underprivileged students to access digital tools. Here it is to be noted that a day laborer in Western Tripura killed himself for failure to give smartphone to his daughter for online studies. Where the BJP government in Tripura promised to provide smartphones and laptops to the students prior elections, it did nothing in this regard till now. A huge number of people in the state of Tripura are below the poverty line. In the outskirts of the state and hilly areas, tribal people are mostly poor enough to afford a smartphone or laptop. Due to the outbreak of coronavirus, they are finding it difficult to attend online classes even. But the BJP government led by Biplab Kumar Dev pays no heed in this regard. Till now, no administrative step has yet been decided by the BJP government to lend help to the poorer students of the state for attending online classes. Bureau Report, Halabol. Tripura Board of Secondary Education released Tripura Madhyamik results 2020 on Friday with a pass rate of 64.49%. Dipan Debnath Netaji Subhash Vidyaniketan bagged the first position with a total of 488 marks. Tripura Board of Secondary Education released Tripura Madhyamik March 2020 examination results on Friday. Around 39,000 students who had appeared in the Madhyamik exams this year, a total of 64.49% passed, where Dipan Debnath from Netaji Subhash Vidyaniketan topped in the Madhyamik examination this year with 488 marks. Megha Sharma, Trisha Shri Devan, Abhiraj Paul has secured second position with a total of 487 marks, and a total of 4 students bagged the third position with 483 marks. They are Aldrin Roy, Yashraj Das, Debadrita Paul and Medha Sharma. 24 students have found themselves in the top 10 positions this year. The exams were held in 2 segments, old and new syllabus. However, it was disrupted midway due to coronavirus-induced lockdown. Education Minister Ratan Lal Nath declared the cancellation of pending papers of both class 10 and 12 exams following the verdict of Apex Court over the issue of pending examinations of CBSE. Tripura Madhya Shiksha Parishad organized a press meet on Friday wherein Board President Dr. Bhabatosh Shah announced the class 10th result of Tripura Board. Bureau Report, Halabol. Along with the whole nation, Tripura State Unit United Trade Union Centre staged protest demonstration at Agartala along the 12 charter point demands. All India UTUC Tripura unit staged protest at Agartala on rights of workers. United Trade Union Organization in India Tripura unit staged protest displaying various placards while maintaining social distancing norms on Friday. Along with several demands like put an end to modification of labour law, working hours should not be increased from 8 to 12 hours per day, to provide direct financial assistance to the unorganized labourers and many more. The All India UTUC Tripura unit protested on the roads of Agartala. All India United Trade Union Centre Tripura State Unit participated in All India protest demonstration along with 12 charter point demands against the BJP government's anti-labour policies. Centering the long-running lockdown due to outbreak of COVID-19, the central government paid no heed to the advices of central or trade unions and is implementing anti-labour and anti-people decisions one after another. On this, Molinde Burma, Tripura State UTUC convener, said the BJP government in the centre is continuously implementing anti-labour and anti-people decisions one after another, paying no heed to the advices of the trade unions. Following this 3rd July Friday, All India United Trade Union Centre Tripura unit staged protest demonstration along with the nation with 12 charter point demands.
বিজেপি সরকার সমবিরোধী এবং জাতীয় এবং আন্তর্জাতিক মাল্টিন্যাশনাল কর্পোরেশন স্বার্থের যে আইন আনা হচ্ছে, সে আইনের বিরুদ্ধে সারা ভারতবর্ষে 10টি অল ইন্ডিয়া ট্রেড ইউনিয়ন এবং মার্চ অর্গানাইজেশন মিলে আজকে প্রতিবাদ দিবসের আহ্বান করা হয়েছে।
The Tripura Unit UTUC members further accused the BJP government in the centre for not keeping its promises of securing the jobs or works of various workers like Asha, Anganwadi, MTM workers, 108 ambulance workers and Safai Karmis. Also, day by day, the rates of everyday used products are increasing at an alarming rate under the BJP government's Hira era. Bureau Report, Halla Bol. Well, that's all from our English desk at this moment. For more news and updates, stay tuned to Halla Bol.